Hello everyone and welcome to my video. I go by Lila and today we're going to be stuffing $630 and here is the cash breakdown. And without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so first off, we are going to be emptying our my cash envelopes. So tithe, I didn't get the chance to go to church, so that's gonna stay there. Groceries, so $1, $2, $3 left over, and then gas has nothing. So these $3 is going to go into my $1 saving challenge. And I also removed spending and eating out temporarily from my cash envelopes. So hopefully I'll be able to get back on track and add those back in soon. Alright, so for tithe, tithe is getting $80. So 50, 60, 70, and 80. So 50, 67, 80. Along with this. So 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 110, 120. And then gas is getting $40. So 20, 30, 35, and 40. Sorry. Okay. And then groceries is also getting 40. So we're gonna go with 20, 30, 35, and 40 as well. So 20, 30, 35, 40. And that is it for our cash envelopes. And then, for my sinking funds, just pull these out. Alright, so for loans is getting $25. So 20 and 5. Let's see. Okay, so it's 50, 100, 150, 200, 220, 40, 60, 80, 300, 320, 40, 45, 50. So 350. And then school is getting 350. So it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, and then the $50. So 350. Okay. So now we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 650, 700, 750, 800, 820, 840, 860, 880, and 900. Alright, so getting pretty close. Really close. I'm very excited. And then wedding is getting $20 as usual. So it's going to get a 10, 15, 20. Okay, so it's 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 110, 115, 120. And so I actually had to take out $95 from here because I was doing some testing trials, and so $95 deducted from this. And then technology is getting $5. So now we have 20, 25, 30. Okay, and then new car is getting $10. Just a 10. So now we have 20, 30, 35, 40, 45. Today, I just can't count today. I don't know why. It's been a really long day. But I hope you guys are all having a fantastic Friday. And I think by the time I upload this video is uploaded, it would be Saturday. So here, okay, so car maintenance is getting $10. So it's 10. So it's 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. And then travel is getting $10 as well. I think everything else is getting $10. 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80, 81, 2, 3, 4, 85. So we have 85. And then future home is also getting $10. So let's see. So it's 20, 40, 60, 80, 85. Oh, I'm sorry. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Woo! Reached the 100 milestone. And then health is going to be getting $10 as well. So 20, 35. Okay, and then emergency funds is getting $10. Alrighty, so we have 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So we have $50 in here. And then hobbies is getting $5. Oh, and then for gifts, I spent money on a gift for a friend, so I took it out, so it's empty now. But I didn't have a lot to begin with, and it's also getting $5 as well. Alright, so that is it for the video. I know it wasn't long, but I appreciate every single one of you guys watching this, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!